In today's fast-paced world, many of us are drawn to simplicity and clean lines, especially when it comes to home decor. Minimalism is a design philosophy that emphasizes the beauty of less, focusing on the essential while eliminating excess. If you're a fan of sleek, uncluttered spaces, these 17 minimalist coffee tables are exactly what you need to elevate your living room. These tables are the perfect example of how minimalist design can blend functionality with aesthetics, creating modern spaces that are as stylish as they are serene. Let's start with the simple metal frame table. This design features a thin, geometric metal frame paired with a clean glass top. The transparency of the glass gives it a floating, airy feel, allowing the table to blend seamlessly into any room without overpowering the space. It's an excellent choice for modern homes that value open space and efficiency. Next, a concrete and wood hybrid table makes a bold minimalist statement. The base is made of polished concrete, which gives it a raw, industrial feel, while the wooden top brings warmth and a touch of nature to the design. The blend of hard and soft materials creates a balanced, earthy look, ideal for a modern urban apartment or loft. For those who appreciate unconventional minimalism, a low-profile wooden table with a thin metal frame might just catch your eye. The sleek wood surface is complemented by the barely there metal legs, giving it an almost floating appearance. This design embodies the essence of minimalist furniture. It's simple, practical, and surprisingly striking in its simplicity. A round marble coffee table is another classic minimalist piece that exudes elegance. The clean marble surface adds a touch of luxury without being overwhelming, while the thin, steel frame offers a contemporary twist. The natural patterns within the marble make each piece unique, creating an elegant focal point in a modern living room. For a more futuristic approach, a clear acrylic.